who's coming and bringing me a flower. Sasha and Rico. Rico's girlfriend, Sasha. Yeah, so picture taking with a beautiful flower from them, from our family here in NL. Ang ganda ng flower na bigay ni Baby Rico. Salamat Baby Rico and Sasha sa pagandang flower nyo. Diba? May pa-flower ah. I like the purple one. May ganito pang flower oh. Ang cute talaga nung nakalawit na ganyan.